Hello everyone, welcome to Know Here Cooking. I'm Magda and today we are doing a wonderful soup, Risi. It's rice and peas Italian soup. They do it every winter, they do it even all year around. That's what our family is telling us. So the rice that I like to use is going to be the one for risotto. Peas you find in the freezer or fresh. And with this, let's go start our wonderful soup. Enjoy it. I am going to start with the rice. I'm going to have two pots going on. First one I'm going to start is with, I have 8 cups of the chicken broth today for me. I'm going to reserve 1 cup and you'll see why for me right now here. And I'm starting with the rice. And it's the risotto rice. It's creamy, it's much tastier. Hello, Babette, you're right here by my tootsies. And I wash it, and I'm going to have the chicken broth. It's right here cooking for 10 minutes with just the rice, nothing else. I just need the rice for 10 minutes. I'm going to mix well, and I'm not having the top on. I wanted to have the soup going on for the rice just to cook for 10 minutes right now. Second part is going to start right here. And on this pot, is going to go about 4 to 6 ounces of bacon. Italians like to use pancetta, and that's okay too, but I don't have pancetta, so this is good to use as it is a little bit bacon. So I have the bacon going here. Rice is going well. It's just going to be cooked for 10 minutes. And here I'm starting the bacon. If you have pancetta, go for that. But I'm using bacon and I show you what I do with the bacon. I cook it a little bit to get a little bit of the fat off. And now it's going to go here on medium. So we have the bacon started, and the same time I'm going to start my 1 large medium onion. I have it right here, or if you like to, you can use the other onions or whatever onions you like to. It's going to be perfect. So here it goes. 1 onion's chopped, and you can chop it the way you like to, a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. It will get incorporated either way and it will be lovely once it's done. And I need this for about a minute to cook it like this. Just about a minute, not much longer. A minute to 2 minutes, if you like it a little bit more saute. And the bacon was already pre-cooked in the oven. I did it for 10 minutes to get away a little bit of that, a little bit of the fat from the bacon. The bacon I used today was also low salt and not too much smoke. We don't like it too much smoke, but it's perfect. And the soup here is cooking well, just the rice. I started with 8 cups of chicken stock. Also, you can use, if you like to make it vegetarian, you can use a beef stock, a vegetable stock, and omit completely the bacon. It will still be perfect taste to everything else. So we have the bacon going here. All right, it's going pretty well. The onions are just a little bit soft. Not much, but just a little bit, and I don't want them too much done. Rice is going all. I need this for 10 minutes, this for 3 minutes, so let me finish. What's next? Oh, peas. Peas are next. And I'm using a box of 16 ounces, a bag frozen. I defrosted earlier today. I left it out on the counter for about an hour, and they're pretty soft. They cook very fast. So here they go. 1. It's about 2 cups. If you like a little bit more, go for a little bit more, but 2 cups are good. And at the same time, I'm going to add a little bit of the parsley right into here. And all this is going to go together 3 minutes cooking. So if you have a nice Caesar for parsley or any vegetables that you like to do this way, it's very easy and convenient. If not, just chop them on the board. It's going to be okay. I love, smells so good, and it's Italian parsley. We are making an Italian soup that everybody loves. You can put lots of parsley or not too much, but look at this. And be sure that you don't put your hands through when you go like this because it's very sharp. So this is good. It's almost 2 minutes here. I'm going to leave it all together 3 minutes. And at the 3 minutes point, I'm going to add 1 cup of nice hot chicken stock or vegetable stock, whatever you like to. And I took it right from there. This is going well. And again, peas are cooking very fast. That's why we have to do the rice separately. It's much better for the soup. So soup is going to be perfect for the winter, and family loves to come home with a good cup of soup. I'm going to add 1 cup of the chicken stock. So the 1 cup of stock went inside, and all together this part was needed to be cooked about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to stop this pot completely, 0 is going, and I'm waiting for my rice. When the rice is done, all together 10 minutes, we are going to blend them together. So we are coming back in 7 minutes. 7. So we are back. Rice is already cooking well, and we are going to put the rice with the broth into the second pot right here. I'm going to put it on medium till it starts again, and everything is going to be cooking together for about 7 to 8 minutes together. I'm going to stop my rice cooker, and the rice was uncovered, and this is done here. Look how beautiful it's still cooking here. Perfect. We want the rice to be not really well done, not under, but yet when you bite into a little bit resistant. So about 7 to 8 minutes on my account, that's how we like it. It's perfect. This we're going to mix it, and at the end we are going to add some Parmesan cheese, about half a cup, or you can have it at the table and just add it in. So let's have this about 7 more minutes cooking. So we are coming back. Look at this beautiful color. Absolutely amazing. Not just the color, but the taste. So we'll see you in 7 minutes when everything is done. I'm going to have the heat on medium-low for right now, and we're coming back. Babette, are we back, Babette? Babette had a haircut for Valentine's Day, and soup is great. All together about 18 minutes I cooked it, the rice separately, then you stir the bacon and the onions and everything else, all the goodness of this earth. We are very, very blessed and lucky to find them all. So it's still bubbling very slow. I have them on medium-low right now. I'm going to check to see if the rice is perfect the way we like it to, and give it a mix. I will add a little bit of the Parmesan cheese, just a tiny bit for right now to see. Rice is perfect. You could even see the rice, how nice it is. Look at this. You can see each individual string almost of the rice. It's absolutely perfect. Now, the Italians are saying this soup, you can eat it with a fork. That's how thick it is. I have on the side, for me, I like it a little bit more soupy, and I didn't have any more of the carton of the chicken broth, so I add just 1 cube or about half chicken bouillon. I'm adding 1 chicken bouillon to 2 cups of water, and I'm going to pour it right here. I like it a little bit more soupy for me. Babette, what do you think? Gourmet baby. And I have that on the stove, roaring. You don't have to, but that's how we like it. And at this time, I'm going to stop the cooking. Perfect. Adding half a cup of the Parmesan cheese, or you can add just a 1/4 cup. Give it a good mix, and we are ready for supper, lunch. Just invite anybody. Oh, the smell. Once you add the Parmesan, everything is perfect. It's a union of the perfect soup. Risi and Bisi. Maybe I don't pronounce it right, but it's rice and peas. And the peas, you find them in the store right now and everywhere. Let's put a cup, a ladle of soup. Let's put it in and let's try it. It's very hot, I know that. Also, you can add more parsley if you like to. The way I added earlier was just perfect. It's cooked well and it's giving a good flavor to it. Babette, what do you think? He's sleeping. Are you going to sleep, Babette? Perfect. Everybody likes it in our family. And with this is a perfect soup for winter. Enjoy it. Manja manja. Poftă bună. And we'll see you next week with a new recipe.